guys, I'm Aurora, I'm 10 years old, and today you're gonna learn the feminine indefinitive articles. And I've already talked to you about the definitive articles, which in English is the. And in Italian they are la, il, and lo. And now you're gonna learn the indefinitive articles, which in English are a, like a car, and like an apple. And we're gonna start this lesson with the feminine ones, and which are less complicated because they have less rules. And in the next lesson we're gonna learn the masculine indefinitive articles. So they're quite simple, as you only need to use una for the singular. For example, una macchina, a car, or una matita, a pencil. Only when the words starts with a vowel, you need to add an apostrophe. A vowel is A-E-I-O-U. And I already showed you how to use an apostrophe, and it's like a floating comma on top of the letter. And for example, una amica becomes un'amica. So un'amica is una amica, but amica starts with a vowel A. So we have to cut off the A of una, and we have to add an apostrophe and join the two words together. And the plural you need to use is delle. So una macchina, delle macchine, or un'amica, delle amiche. Okay? I hope you liked the lesson of today. Put a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!